What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we got a starter replacement on a something Chevy Silverado, okay? I don't know the year. I'll get back to you on that, okay? Now, before removing that starter, we're gonna remove this negative battery cable. Every time you do a starter, an alternator, shit like that, so you don't get shocked, is remove this negative battery cable. So that's what we're gonna do first, okay? Let's get started. So first thing we're gonna grab is an 8mm socket, and we're gonna grab a ratchet. We'll grab a ratchet. Okay, now you're gonna remove this negative battery cable, guys. Just like that. Just enough, and then set it down. Just like that. Now this is gonna be your starter. The starter is gonna be on the passenger side. Now you grab yourself a 13mm socket and then extension and take those bolts off. That's gonna be one. Now make sure you remember which side it goes, because sometimes one's longer than the other, and the other one. There you go. And next what we're gonna do, guys, is you see this connector? Disconnect that connector, move it to the side, just so we have more clearance. I like to reach on top. See this little metal protector or bracket, whatever you wanna call it. Move that out of the way so we have more space. So now we grab that starter, raise it up, all the way up like this. And that shit just fall down just like that. Just like that. And now we got these, I believe this is an 8mm, and this is gonna be your 12 or 13 right here. This bigger one. And that's what I'm talking about. It's this 8mm right here, and then you got your 13 right up here. So first we take off that 8mm. Here you go. And then you're gonna have a little washer sometimes, but this one didn't have it. There you go. So you grab your nut, and then you're gonna grab that cable, pull it out of the way. Now you can remove your starter out of the way. So now you're gonna have your new starter. You make sure they both look the same. The studs where the cable go, everything's in the same position. Okay, now we can start moving these nuts and washer. And this one also, and that washer I was talking about. Now we can go install it. Now you grab your starter, you can install the cables just the way you remove them. And now we snug them down. And then give it just a little snug, 1, 2, 3. That's all you need. Same thing with the little one. Okay, one little snug, right there. Okay, now you just install in reverse order. Okay, guys? Just like that. Simple. Now we zap them in place. Just like that. Oh, and don't forget that shield you took off. You don't have to remove the shield. You can remove it when you're, like, have it off, but I like to do it. And then you just reconnect that connector, and she's done. And now we're ready to lower the vehicle, guys. And down she goes. Now remember to snug down that battery cable, guys. We get a lot of vehicles that get towed to the shop for a no crank or no start, and ends up being a loose negative cable. After they do a starter replacement or they do some work, they forget to snug it down. Now what we're gonna do is start her up. Confirm that actually starts. And remember, guys, that's all you guys need is basic hand tools, and you guys can get this job done. She's ready to go. Oh shit, excuse me.